This video is directly for you, so please do not skip. Watch to at least 3 minutes of this video. I'm going to ask you a very important question in life. If someone gave you $1 billion cash in your present and drop a copy of Bible also in your present, which one will you choose? Because you have the option to choose only one. Either you choose the $1 billion cash, maybe in Ghana must go back. Then the Bible is just one copy of the Bible, which is the word of God, and that is God. So if you are in this kind of situation in life, maybe a surprise, what will you choose? Will you choose the copy of Bible, or you choose the $1 billion which is at your front? Remember this: money is vanity. This Bible is the word of God, which is life, wisdom, knowledge, understanding. Name it, like everything you need is inside this copy of Bible. This $1 billion is something you can spend, and with time it's just finished, but the word of God remain. So if you find yourself in this kind of situation, what will you do? Will you choose the $1 billion over the copy of Bible, or will you choose the Bible over the $1 billion? Okay, in another dimension, this is what I'm talking about. That if you are in a condition to choose God or money, because the Bible itself it contains the word of God, which is God himself, and the money, which you and me know is just a paper currency, dollars, that's in billion, $1 billion. So now in this situation that you are to choose either God or the money, which is $1 billion. What will you choose? Will you deny God and choose the $1 billion, or you will deny the $1 billion and choose God, which is your creator? Be honest with yourself. Drop it in the comment section. Which one will you choose? God or $1 billion? Or you choose $1 billion and deny God? That is to say, you choose the Bible, which is the word of God, and deny the $1 billion, or you choose the $1 billion and keep the Bible aside. It is a very difficult question, but you really need to answer, because situation like this can come up anytime. God or money, which one will you choose? Thank you very much. Drop your comment in the comment section. Drop your answer in the comment section. Share this video to as many as you can share. This is a call. This is a wake-up call for all Christians to train their heart, to train their faith, not only on money, but on God, which is your creator. Thank you very, very much.